going on? It's boy Bro901 back with another video. I'm still in Spokane. By the time I post this, I might not still be in Spokane. But I'm with my boy Andrew Coen. Go sub to him.
What's up, y'all?
His link will be in the description. And today we're going to be making butter slime. I have no idea what that is. He's going to teach me how to do it. I've never made slime before. So I got my boy over here. He's gonna teach me how it's done. Let's get into it.
So we're just gonna be making the classic white glue and some borax water, but we'll be adding this so it turns into butter slime.
Here's the borax.
The borax is in the water.
Whoa.
So you pour a little bit because that's the activator.
Hey, no, I get to do it. You just teach me how to do it.
Okay, just pour it in. We need 2 cups. Okay?
2 cups. Okay,
2
2
cups because we're both gonna get like a cup. Depends on how high it feels. We might make 3 because we need it for 3 different people.
Do we have enough glue for 2 cups?
I don't know. Just pour it in. That's good enough.
Okay. So here's 1 cup poured in here?
Yep.
1 cup. Oh, look at that. Oddly satisfying. Right.
And 2 cups.
2 cups. Alright, while I'm doing this, explain what the next step is.
So the next step, we're just going to be adding a little bit of the borax water at a time to make it just... It's just going to be white because this stuff right here is purple, so it'll obviously...
Do we want to have 3 cups? Or just 2?
Just 2 for now, and then later on we'll make it after the video for your sister. Okay, that's good enough. No.
Okay, just want to make sure it doesn't drip everywhere.
This is a big batch.
Okay, now what?
We need to pour a little bit of this. Can I do this?
Yeah, pour it in.
Tiny bit wet.
Okay, now what? Mix it?
Mix. It will slowly get thick.
This is the weirdest thing I think I've ever done.
Do you want me to mix it? Because I can mix it fast. Let's mix it fast. Soon you're going to get to kneading it all.
Whoa, it's like sticky.
Yep.
We want it not sticky, right?
It has to get sticky first to get non-sticky.
Okay.
Okay.
I just don't want slime all over my hands.
Don't.
I don't normally play with slime. My
I'm
sister, on the other hand,
yeah.
has a massive collection of slime. But my boy Andrew Coen, you should have a slime playlist set up, right?
Like I don't quite yet. I'm gonna fix my channel like later on in the month.
When he does, go check that out.
Yeah.
He's made a lot of slime.
Let me go with this.
Let's
Feel it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Let's mix all this together.
You're making a mess.
Yeah, I know. That's the point.
What?
Just kidding. You're gonna want. You have to knead it, which that's where it gets messy. You get like stuff all over your hands, but you kind of have to.
Wait, what about the contact solution here?
There's no contact solution in borax slime.
Have you made the contact solution slime?
Yep, it's just that's the classic recipe.
It seems super liquidy still.
Yeah, I know. I made this too many times.
You know exactly how it's supposed to go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now more of this.
This is a long progress.
It is because you have to keep on adding a tiny bit of that.
So probably just gonna time lapse it.
Yeah, you need a time lapse and just cut it. But
or just a montage of me. Oh, it's on my head!
Good.
No, not good. Good. Looks like cottage cheese.
Alright, this is where we're not going to add much of that because we need it. So
we need to knead.
Okay, stop. Mate. Look at all this. Oh,
whoa, look at that. Okay, where do I put the spoon?
Just sit in.
Should I put it with the
add some more borax
water?
water.
Should I put it with the measuring
Add
cup?
some more borax water.
How much more?
A tiny bit. And I may have not added enough borax into it, so I might have to add more
Should I get
borax.
rid of this?
What?
Should I set this off to the side?
No,
I still need this. Okay.
you need. Look at how disgusting it is.
Hey, you should need.
Oh my god. Can we do it?
Okay, we're gonna cut to the part where it's fully needed.
Yes.
Okay, we're back. The slime is ready. And now what?
So now we need to add not all of this, but some of this.
Wow.
Okay, right here we have some. No, okay. Right here we have some
Okay,
clay.
what do you do? Put it in here?
Yep. Spread it across. Try to get as far as possible. I know it's kind
Oh!
of, but you know.
This is awesome. This is satisfying.
Seriously.
Okay, apparently I need to spread it out like pizza. So how does this make it butter slime?
I have no idea. I watch YouTube videos and I already have some in my room. So, okay, it's good.
Yeah, but what makes it buttery?
I don't know.
Does it feel like butter?
Yeah, it feels like butter and it spreads like butter.
Spreads like butter?
Yeah, so you can use this butter knife over here to spread it like butter. No, I'm joking.
Yeah, I got some.
We need to add some. Yeah, we'll just slowly add this stuff to
It'll be
it.
like completely purple.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
I've never done this before.
I have.
I'm kind of surprised I've never done this before.
Yes, I do stink.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Yeah. See, look, it's turning purple. It's a. Yes.
There's like marble slime.
It'll be full purple after a while.
Here we go, I got this.
See, it's getting stretchier.
Watch it.
Look at this is like slime.
Do we need to add more?
Yeah, we're just gonna keep up and adding. It's beautiful how this guy just beats it. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Mother trucker, dude, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Look at how it's turning purple, guys. Like it's so
It's
beautiful.
like a marble.
Shut up. See, look at. See, it's getting a different texture. It's getting stretchier.
Dude, we need to add some in the white area.
No, it'll slowly blend in.
You need to add more of this stuff?
Um,
Like a little bit more?
we're gonna add all of it.
All of it?
No.
False advertising.
Clickbait video. We added all of the model magic.
all the model magic.
That was $5, by the way, so you owe me.
This was your idea. You texted me at like noon today saying, hey, we should make a slime video. And I'm like, oh yeah, dude, totally, because I need the views.
I need the views. You want to pull on my channel, so I already have enough slime.
Yeah, because like, I don't make slime videos.
But you need some in your life. Add some. Slap it. Slap it like a boot. Slap it like a boot. She. Boo. She. Boo. It's baby boo. It's beautiful.
It's actually getting like easier to...
Yeah, I know.
Okay, do we add more of this? Should we add more?
Mm-hmm. At the big slappy cheek.
Wait, 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 wait,
I
wait.
was gonna slap it. You're gonna break the table.
Too bad. I'm here at your table.
I mean, it's already pretty destroyed. No, I'm just kidding. It was your table.
It was our table.
So, how? Hey.
Ah!
That's what I'm trying to say. It's too close. Too close. Oh, stop making fart noises with it. Stop it. Dude. You're moving the camera around.
I don't care.
You're gonna spill the borax. Let me move
I
that.
think you need to fix the camera. I think it's offsetted.
Yeah, it really is.
Hey guys, we're back. Do we need to add more?
What? Yeah, sure.
Okay. Got more.
That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. I mean, I'm pretty sure butt cheek on a stick would already hurt enough.
Yeah.
Butt cheeks hurt bad. Didn't you know that, Dad? Didn't you know, Dad? You're fat and you smell like a bad.
Okay. Do we want to test it?
Dude, so
You
stupid.
said it should cut like butter, right?
No, it will smell like butter.
Okay.
Sort of. I'm not saying it's perfect butter. I'm just saying it sort of does.
Wait, what makes this butter slime?
Here, you need more.
Yes, we do need more.
You need more.
It's definitely stretchier. It doesn't like break as easily.
Okay, no, I need mix because that's my first time ever actually making butter slime. I got some in my room
From
my
what?
friend.
Your friend made you butter slime. Here, go grab that. We need to like compare
He's
them.
beautiful. It was a dog who made it for me. Hey, shut up. You're ugly. Okay, so this one was a no activator slime. Well, it was like a.
Here, see that.
It's moist, which is weird. So it's made with
So
clay.
what should it feel like when you spread it? Oh yeah, I think we're there,
Yeah,
guys.
dude, we're there. We
This-
made it.
Hey, thumbnail.
Thumbnail right now.
Okay, now that that's over, here's the butter slime.
With some
Oh,
drizzles.
it's huge.
Oh my god, you went right through.
And we still have all this leftover.
So we're gonna make one
Clay.
more thing of it.
Yeah.
Because I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with the leftover clay.
Giveaway.
Giveaway leftover clay from us signed.
Signed in.
This is beautiful stuff. Look how stretchy it is. It's nice.
Oh!
Stop stabbing it. You're gonna stab the table.
Alright, guys, that's it for this
A
video.
butter slime
Hope you
murder.
guys liked it. If you want to see more slime videos,
Stuff is so much thicker.
just leave a like
So much thicker.
and subscribe. Subscribe to my boy Ender Coen. His link will be in the description. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.